Good morning, students. Now discuss in complex number what is the value of I raised to the power of 2020. That means in all cases these are converted into power of 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Value of I raised to the power of 4 is I raised to the power 4 is 1. That means 1 raised to the power of 505. Result is 1. Now, next question. Suppose I raised to the power of 47 plus 1 upon I raised to the power of 74 whole raised to the power of square. In this question, again, this one is converted into I raised to the power of 4. Always these are converted into I raised to the power of 4. 4 will the 4, 4 will the 4, I cube remaining. 1 upon I raised to the power of 4. 4 will the 4, 34, 4 8 the 32, I square, whole square. I raised to 4 is 1. That means this is 1. And I cube, value of I cube is minus I. Because I square is minus 1, that means minus I. I square is minus 1 and this is 1. Therefore, this. Now, this minus minus whole square is positive. Apply the formula I square plus 1 plus 2I. I square is minus 1 plus 1, 2I. This is cancelled, 2I is I. Next question. I raised to the power of 4, I raised to the power of 6, I raised to the power of 8, and so on. This is I raised to the power of 20. Find the value of this expression. Again, in this one, I raised to the power of 4 is common. What is the remaining? 1 I square. 4 is not common. I square is common. 1 I square is common. That means I square plus I cube plus I4 up to I raised to the power of 10. I square is minus 1. And this is I square. This is the GP. How many terms? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. That means 10 terms. Apply the formula of sum of GP is A, and A 1 minus R raised to the power of R is I raised to the power of 9, 1 minus I. This is the sum of GP. I square is again minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus I raised to the power of 4 to the 8I. 1 minus I. This is positive 1 plus 1, 1 minus I, 1 minus I, result is 1. Is it clear? Now next is converted any expression in form of A plus I. That means expression is converted into A plus I. क्वेश्चन देखिए. फर्स्ट पार्ट 5I and I by 8. Simple, this is multiplied. If this one is multiplied, 5 by 8 I square. I square is minus 1, that means minus 5 by 8. But if this is converted into complex number, result is 5 by 8 plus 0 dot I. This is the answer. Next part, minus I 2I I upon 8 whole cube. Again, this is minus 2I square. This one is I cube or 8 multiplied by 8. 2 4s are 8. I square is I to the power 5 and this is 64 4s are. 4 4s are 16. 24, 25. And this I raised to the power of 5. I raised to the power of 5 is written as I raised to the power of 4, 256. This one is 1, 256. But if this one is converted in complex number, that means real part is 0. And this is the answer. Now next question. Next is 5 minus 3I whole cube is converted into A plus I. If this is converted, first of all apply the formula of A minus B whole cube. Formula is A cube minus B cube plus 3AB square minus 3A square open 125 3927 I cube. This is 9 and 15 nines are 9 or 15. 15 nines are 135. 135 I square. This one is 25 nines are 25 nines are 225. 225 I square is 1. 125. I cube is I square dot I, that means plus 27I plus 135 minus 225I. रियल नंबर्स को ऐड कर दीजिए 0 6 260. इमेजिनरी नंबर्स को भी सॉल्व कर दीजिए 25 to 198 and this is the answer. In next question, in the same way, all complex numbers are converted into a plus I. Suppose question is 2 upon 1 plus I whole cube. If this is converted into complex number, 2, first of all apply the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. this ये भी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और ये भी कर सकते हैं. I cube is minus I. If this one is open, 3I minus 3 because I square is minus 1. 2 upon minus 2 plus 2I. 2 is common and cancel. Minus 1 plus I. But this is not the complex number. Okay. In this one is rationalize. Minus 1 minus I minus 1 plus I minus 1 minus I minus 1 minus I. A square is 1 minus B square is 1. That means minus 1 upon 2 minus I upon 2 is the answer. Is it clear?